So today we're making the scrub top. It's from K&L. This yellow is also from K&L. So first you're going to take colored beads and spread them out in your mold. You want to make sure that they're spread evenly, and I fill mine up a little less than halfway. So the next step is to bake it. Every person's oven is different, so if you use gas or a toaster oven, you're going to have to play around with the times. But for mine, I bake at 325 and I start with 15 minutes, and then I add more time as needed after I rotate the pan. So here I could see that it was pretty cooked, so I'm just going to cook for 3 more minutes. I knew that this one was done because you could still see the individual beads, but they were clearly melted together. So the next step is to decorate. So you pull it out, and then here I'm using Sharpie paint pens, and it's nice because you can just go and color in all of the details. So I like to start by doing the metal pieces first, and then I go in and add some black details, and then I like to add some color to the pockets and to the edge of the scrub top. People kind of go back and forth on what paint pens they like to use. I think it's really important to use oil-based since Freshies are made from oil. This helps the paint stick. And I also haven't had luck with paint pen brands that are not Sharpie. There are some other brands that people like, but I've had the best luck with Sharpie. They leak less, they paint more evenly. So those are the ones that I like to use, and they come in a lot of different colors. This scrub top is really cool because it's so versatile. I sometimes like to add a different color to the pockets, like on this one, to make it pop, or it looks really pretty if like I were to do a yellow pocket, just because there is a difference in color. If you make a mistake, you can grab a Q-tip and get it just a little bit wet, and then that helps you wipe off the extra paint, as I did right there. And it'll still leave a little mark, but I haven't had anyone notice it or complain about it. So there's a tutorial on how to make your own scrub top.